Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I am here today to show you guys the new releases for my shop. I'm super excited, and so I just want to show you guys all of the kits, and also I will be showing you guys what the kit, the EC Deluxe monthly kit, will look like inside of the EC Deluxe monthly. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Okay, so this is the mini kit, which is really designed for like the mini happy planner, but honestly, if you have any type of planner that is similar in size, then you could potentially get away with making these stickers fit. At most, you may have to, cut down, trim down a little something, but for the most part, they should fit. So again, this is size for the mini happy planner. So I have done away with the font on the stickers, which is going to cause more work for me, but I think it just looks better and has a cleaner look. So that is a decision that I decided to make. So we still have the same Bill Do stickers, and I'm using the same font like I used in May. We do still have the payday stickers. I have gone in and changed the font of the gold stickers. I made them smaller to fit better in some type of mini planner, but these are just kind of like the regular size ones. But I have gone ahead and made that change. But here are the stickers. I'm not going to mess this up too much because I'm going to sell this. But anyway, this is the mini kit, and it comes with all of these script stickers. So the reason why I decided to do this is because it will cut back on the amount of custom orders that I'm doing. Now I am going to have to, it's going to take me longer to produce these kits because just cutting this sheet alone takes forever, because it's 2 of these per sheet. So that's going to take way long, but again, it should cut back on the need for custom orders, and in turn would hopefully kind of balance out my time. But more importantly, like more than it just helping me, I think that it's going to help you guys to customize your kits to fit your liking. So these are the script stickers, and they just kind of peel right off. And we have sinking funds, budget review, June goals, cash envelopes, debt tracker, June budget, June expenses, paycheck 1, 2, 3, and 4, goals, debt, income tracker, savings tracker, and money. So if you guys can think of any other stickers that you might want, and at any time, if you want me to do a custom order, there is a charge. So you'll have to message me first because custom orders take more time. But I can do any type of script stickers. But if there are any you think that I should add to this, let me know. I actually can't add any more without ditching one. So if I do replace like money with something, as an example, if there's something else out there that's really clever that we might need to add to this, just let me know. But I can't add any more. I can just ditch one. So anyway, this is the mini kit. Moving on to the Petite Kit. So this is a kit that is sized for the Petite planner. And so here are the payday stickers. So they kind of come like by themselves, but doesn't really matter. I think I did cut out a few of the payday stickers, but I think that you guys will appreciate it because I'm still able to keep the prices of all of the kits around about the same. I just had to kind of finagle and finesse to make this thing work. So there are the payday stickers that come with the Petite Planner kit. And then there are some gold stickers. I have changed these as well, so they're the same size as the mini stickers, which are not these size. I've made them a little smaller, but I'm not doing all of that. I'm just letting you know what you're going to get. So the stickers are going to be similar to this. They are just going to be smaller. So you get gold stickers. You get the Bill Do stickers, and not only the Bill Do, but also the other ones that I like to add in so you can track credit score and baby step, whatever the case is, those little blank ones. So we do have those that come with the kit for the Petite Kit. We have the decorative washi, which is not this. This is functional washi. I just labeled it wrong, but it's fine. This is like pre-production, but this is functional washi, and we still have these. I think I may have ditched the total one, but again, I think that that the few tweaks that I did make are okay given the fact that I was able to make the new changes. So we do have the functional washi. Now here's the decorative washi. So this fits across the monthly spread in the Petite Planner, and these fit across the other sheets like the notebook pages or whatever. Just go watch Michelle's channel. She budgets in the Petite Planner, and I don't know if you're mimicking her, but she can tell you better than me because I don't use the Petite Planner for budgeting. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the large washi strips that fit across the top of the pages, and then one of the thin washi strips. So that's the decorative washi. And then of course we have the script stickers, same script stickers. So that is the Petite Kit. Moving on to the Classic Kit for the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly in the 7x9. We have our thin washi strips, our functional washi strips. We still have our payday stickers. They look the same. This is the washi that's going to come with the kit. So this fits across the monthly part of it. We do have the gold stickers and then the June 2019 sticker that you can put right over top of that. Payday flags and then some more washi. This is the Classic Kit, like I said. And then these are the script stickers that come with the Classic Kit. So not all of them. These are all that I could fit on 2 pages to keep the price the same. But again, there is a workaround that I will share with you guys in a moment. You might not even buy a kit. You might choose to buy some things a la carte. So moving on to the full kit, which is like my baby, we have the functional washi strips. Same ones. I did not tweak those. As you can see, the total sticker still remains the same, and then this remains the same. I don't know if you remember, but this used to be like a full page, but I just kind of cut it in half. I don't know how I'm going to ship them, but this is the stuff that you get with the kit. I may still ship them regularly. It just depends on how I'm feeling, if I feel like cutting them down or trimming them down. But here are the Build You stickers. And then we have the washi for the monthly spread, and then the June 2019. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the large decorative washi strips, which is 1 page, as you can see. And then you do get the full set for the script stickers. They just look a little different because they don't have that at the top, but they're the same as the, what was that? That was the Classic Kit. They're the same as all of the other kits. So that is what all comes with the full kit. Same stuff, same amount of pages. I just kind of finagled and finessed. Moving on to the Classic Happy Planner Kit. So this pretty much looks like the full kit for the EC Deluxe Monthly. The dimensions are just different. So script stickers still the same. These are the same. They're just smaller. As you can see, same stickers though, just kind of cram packed in there. The Build You stickers, the decorative washi, except in this kit you actually get 2 of the thin washi strips. I can't fit another full one, or I would, so I just kind of fit all that I can fit. So I could only fit 2 of those little strips. So that's what you're going to get in the Classic Happy Planner Kit. And then this, so this is for the top of the pages, and then you also get 2 more of the thin washi strips. And if I could fit a big one in there, like another one of these or one of these, I would, but I can't. So you get 2 more of the thin washi strips, which I might make those, honestly. I just kind of like make small tweaks to the kits before I actually release them, which I do show you guys the final looks of them. I may make those solid, but I don't know. As of right now, this is what the Classic Kit looks like. And then last but not least, you can actually buy some of these things a la carte. So right now, as of right now, you can buy the monthly spread stickers a la carte. This is, like I said, for the monthly spread. So these go on the top of the, like, top washi basically with the dates. And then you can buy some of this washi a la carte as well. And then you can also, so this is like a full kit of the decorative washi for the Classic, not Classic, for the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly. And then you can also buy these washi strips a la carte. So this is the functional washi. And then you can also buy these Build You stickers a la carte. So if you don't want to buy the kit, which if you do, you're really going to be saving money. But if you don't want to, you can kind of, oh, just kidding. One more thing that you can buy a la carte. I'm getting ahead of myself. Bam. You can buy these a la carte. So let's say you're not really into all this other extra stuff. You can just get you some decorative washi and this, and boom, that's all you need. Maybe you have some Build You stickers from some other type of sticker book or sticker shop that you enjoy, so you can just do that. Or let's say you just want to do the monthly and then do your Build You stickers on your monthly. You can do that. You can do whatever you want. So this is all of the items that are going to be available to you in the shop. And right now I'm going to show you guys what the kit actually looks like in the Erin Condren Deluxe monthly planner, which I'm super excited for. So let me grab that. So this is June. Let's start here. So I put the cash envelopes here. I thought that was cute. And then I just kind of put category item amount due remaining. You can use your thin washi however you want. That's just what I decided to do. And then here is the monthly spread. And I have, I believe, since made the stickers come about here. So they kind of stretched the span of the pages. I do believe that's a change that I have made. If I haven't done it already, it's on my list to do before I release. So that has taken place. I just put the June goals there. Of course, I like my bill due stickers to match my top washi. And then moving on to these two pages. This is sinking funds income tracker. And then the June budget and the paycheck number 1 and debt tracker. And I just wanted to show you guys that you can actually, you know, you can do whatever you want, but you can put you can track multiple things on one page if you so desire. So anyway, let me just show you a close up of just what it looks like on top of the washi, because like I said, I did separate that. And that is one of the solid washi strips that I just threw in there because this was, you know, I always put this together and then I kind of go through and make the adjustments as needed. But this is the kits. I am absolutely obsessed, and I'm actually going to try to release more kits at one time. I can't make any promises for this month because I'm pretty much like, I don't know, that I'm stretched too thin, but my goal in life is to actually start releasing like multiple months at one time so you guys can save on shipping and get your stickers ahead of time. You're really not going to save that much on the shipping, but you can get your stickers ahead of time. So this is the kit for June. I hope that you guys are enjoying the changes that have taken place. These are going to be available at the time that you are actually watching this video. Processing time remains the same. I am super excited for the changes that I've made to the template. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.